Manik Shekhar from 3rd year Mechanical. I participated in Energy Conservation and Automation Challenge in Tapman 2021. It was a great learning experience for me. I also got to learn a new software called PVSYST, which helped me in understanding the solar system sizing immensely. I would really thank the organizers for being so supportive. If it wasn't for them, I would not be able to even participate in this event. It has been a roller coaster ride for us, making up our mind to go through with this on the last day, giving it our all in one day, performing in it in the very next day. I'm very grateful for all the positive comments we have received by our judges, Sir Ashish Chand and Sir Ashu Gupta, and for the future opportunities I have received through this event. Lastly, I would really like to thank Sir Manjan for always backing us, guiding us, and motivating us with his passion for this industry. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi, I am Revanto Das from Electrical Third Year. I am really thanking to all the members of ISRE for giving me this opportunity to take part in these events. First of all, I got a first prize in Facebook quiz and I had to participate in the article writing, to participate in the Energy Conservation and Automation Challenge, participate in Heat Load Challenge, and also participate in the HBSC, and also to participate in the BB quiz. And I am really thankful to all the members of ISRE for giving me this opportunity to participate in these events. And I am really happy to do this type of projects with my team members. I am really appreciate my team members because they are very energetic, and I feel very proud for them. And I am very excited to participate in this event because I learned many things in this event. In this ECSE challenge, I learned the PVC software very well. In this heat load challenge, I learned that how to calculate the heat load and many things. So I am really thankful to all the members for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajdeep Goel, student of 3rd year Mechanical Engineering Department. I have participated in BBG Memorial Quiz conducted by ISRE IM Student Chapter under the banner of Tapman 2021. My team name was Spark. I and Sushant Sandelia together participated in this quiz. Basically, there was 3 rounds in this quiz. We qualify all the round and we were declared winner in this quiz. There was a great learning experience in this quiz. I want to thank to my teammate Sushant Sandelia, and I also want to thank ISRE IM Student Chapter and Gunjan sir to provide such opportunity to us. And I also thank to process owner for conducting this event so successfully. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Kausar De, currently studying 2nd year Mechanical Engineering in IEM Kolkata, and I am part of Team Extruders with Harsh Kumar, who won CADO Trivia 2021. And I have to say it was a great learning experience because of all the subversion of expectation. The second round really threw a curveball at us because normally you expect a more viva or quiz type setting, but here we were thrown an unexpected challenge. We had to sell a product from the perspective of a manufacturer and a businessman to someone who is already really qualified in this space with an MBA. So that was a really interesting challenge, and particularly the third round of the competition where we had to do the CAD drawings. That was really cool because normally you would be expected to accurately replicate really complex drawing, but here it was something that you are normally not tested on in the design space, and that is time management. So that is definitely a welcome challenge. It was really nice to push ourselves to really excel in these new types of challenges within the time constraint, and really it forced us to think outside the box, and we loved that. And of course, a huge shout out goes out to ISRE IEM chapter and to the process owners of Tapman 2021 for making this event a great experience and an awesome success. And I am definitely feeling the heat of Tapman. Thank you guys.
Hello everyone, I'm Taulik Chakraborty, a 3rd year Mechanical Engineering student of IEM Kolkata. Recently we have participated in an event, Tapman HVAC Cool, where we won that segment as a Team Amir. That was totally organized by ISRE Student Chapter IEM Kolkata. So I'm thanking to all of you to giving us the opportunity to learn something while we designing or giving the idea of the air conditioning system for vegetable storage, we learned lot of things that was totally unknown to us. So I'm thanking from the deep of my heart to all of the volunteers who are dedicatedly giving their best to organize this event. So at last, I want to say that I really felt the heat. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Sandra Viswas from Group A, third year Electrical Engineering. We took part in the event heat load calculation. This was very challenging. We took it in sportingly and completed it successfully and secured second runner-up position. I'm very happy because I learned a lot from it. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rohan Dash. I am pursuing my BTech in IT and I am currently in the third year. I secured the first position in Tapman 2021. I love participating in ISRE's competitions. Last year I participated in TechScribe and Urjaman. I have a keen interest towards the technologies used in the smart buildings. Hence this article writing competition helped me more to explore those fields. And for this interest only, I was able to write a paper and secure the first try. And special thanks to Gunjan sir, Priyadi and Shomi for motivating me throughout this whole process. Thank you so much.